morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's Wednesday, October 21st. We have no economic news to note today. However, if you want to look at the chart here, we do have uh, mortgage applications that we get every Wednesday, but I don't usually report on these. As you can see here, purchase dropped from 311 to 304, and then of course the refinance, however, went upwards. So purchase went down, but refinance did go up. Let's jump ahead here to the headline news. Stocks are up. It's taken its cue. What we've been really seeing for a while that any catalyst, the big main catalyst is talking about new stimulus, and optimism is very high. It seems that the president's administration is working with the Democrats, with Pelosi, to work on something. The roadblock could be the Senate. They may block it because they don't really want a large bill. However, the president is up for a large bill and want to get something going, and they're hoping to have something done like ASAP. So their investors are feeling pretty optimistic that something might get done here, and we'll have to watch and see. We also got the Fed Beige Book will be released later today. This will give us the micro view of different regions across the U.S. on the different economic outlook, and this could, give us some good insight as to what's going on around the different parts of the country here. We are getting corporate earnings reports still, and one of the big headlines was after close last night. And that was Netflix dropped a bit. I think their stock's down about 5% because a lot of subscribers dropped off. If you haven't known, they had huge protests. A lot of people are dropping their subscriptions over a movie that deemed to be inappropriate called Cuties. So that apparently made a big impact on their financials. Last but not least, we got some Fed speakers will be out again today. As we saw yesterday, there's a few speakers that will be out again today. And again, anytime there's something that's said that maybe catches the investors' ears, that could always move the markets as well. Let's jump ahead, see how this is playing out with the bond market and what mortgage rates are doing today. Yesterday, as you saw, we were way down here, even almost touching the 100-day moving average. We did pull back. However, we did pull off from where we were earlier in the day, but today we were way down again. We started way down here. We're basically at the lows that we saw a few weeks ago. And right now we are down about 6 basis points currently, but lenders from the East Coast probably came in with worse pricing. And you probably will see that even on the West Coast as they'll probably urge more to the cautious side. So I think you may see pricing a little bit worse than we saw earlier in the day yesterday, or probably very similar to what we saw late in the day yesterday too. Some lenders did price for the worst during later in half of the day before the bond market pull back a little bit. However, those who did not probably will come in with the worst pricing today, as we are a bit closer to the 100-day moving average here. Yields broke above that level yesterday. We broke basically like 0.79 rounded. Now we're up about almost 8.81. We tested a little bit higher. We'll have to wait and see if this holds. It could hold if we do get a agreement set. Because again, the big roadblock could be the Senate may hold up on any large bill. They don't really want a large to be borrowing a whole lot of money here. So with that in mind, mortgage rates are going to be a little bit worse than what we saw yesterday. If you guys are in the market to refinance or purchase, go ahead and reach out. I'll leave a link at the end of the video, also in the description. Please feel free to click on it. You'll find a lot more information in regards to different loan programs and different information that might prove useful for your real estate needs here. If we don't have that, please feel free to reach out to me. I am a loan officer with a national lender here, and please feel free to contact me, and I'll answer any questions we have. We can help you with the refinances as well as purchase transactions, get you guys pre-approved and to buy the next property. You guys have a great rest of the day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.